back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne and I'm doing a Dia&Co box opening. I feel like I haven't done one in forever, and then I realized why. I did get a box last month and I did not keep anything in it. I do love Jessica, but I was trying something a little different. I wanted some casual wear, and I guess I'm really weird and picky when it comes to casual wear, and I didn't feel like I liked anything. So I sent the entire box back, but I should try it again. So here we go. So the first thing I want to show you, this is by Molly and Isadore, and it is a pink. I wanted a pink cardigan. I had this pink cardigan. It came to right about here, 3/4 sleeves, lightweight little knit sweater. It was so cute with one pearl button, and actually it had 2 or 3 pearl buttons, and it got ruined. And I had it for a few years, but I could use it with so much. So I've been asking, and this is her second try. This is still not exactly what I wanted. It's a little bit on the longer side, and I do not like things that have a ribbed bottom. I thought this almost looks like a white one they sent me, but I'll try it. It is a very beautiful color. Has a swing front and it has a gathered back. So I don't know, we'll see. I think it's a little too long. I like when it's shorter and I just wear it right with, like, if I have a sleeveless sundress or like a spaghetti strap sundress, then I can wear it over it and I can wear it to work. So it doesn't look like, you know, my chest is arriving before I do. All right, so I'm gonna try this. I believe that this is $55. And of course, this will all be in the description below. This is very pretty. Okay, next. I have, this is by Cameo. I don't have anything by Cameo. It's a kimono. It has beautiful blue. I just unpackaged everything, so it's a little wrinkled. It's very lightweight. It has beautiful shades of blue, and it's like a deep blue, a baby blue, white, and it has beautiful lace at the bottom of the arms. This is beautiful. This is $69. It's pretty. I like it. Then I asked for capri. This is sort of like a pair of capris. This is sort of like a soft denim. It's a teal, more like aquamarine color. And it has really cute little pockets, and the way the stitching is, it's not cheap looking at all. And of course, you know me at the bottom here. And it has like a little slit, and then it has a little stud, which is so cute. Now, I don't usually like a leg like this. It's almost like it's boot cut. Something happens, like it flares out. I can't stand that on me. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out. We will see. But they are beautiful color. Now, these are also Molly and Isadore, and they are $65. And they are light enough to wear in the warm weather. In South Jersey right now, it's in the 90s, and it will be that until like October. Will be really warm at school. This is a little tee. It's very lightweight. It's a beautiful blue. I love it. Again, it's a little on the wrinkled side because it just came out of the box. Has a lattice front, which kind of makes it a little fancy. This is a Molly and Isadore, and it is $45. Cute. I already can see like a little combination going on. Hey, look at this. This is by Rebel Wilson, I think. And it says Rebel on it. Love it. Just for the idea that you're a rebel. And it has lipstick. This is so cute. This is $39. So I'm going to try some things on and make some combinations, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have a black bra on underneath on purpose. I could wear nude or like the color of my skin, but I wanted to test how sheer the white was. I'm not a big fan of white. I think you've heard me talk about that before. You can see through it. I do like how it looks on me, but I don't know. I always get nervous I'll make it dirty. But it is cute. I have it on with a pair of jeans that I did not get in the box, but that I own. And I'm not quite sure. I don't think it's too sheer. And it's on the longer side. It's kind of comfy. I like this. This is cute. Thank you. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, this is the Molly and Isadora tee. I love how it comes in on the side. It has like a scoop in here. It's actually beautiful. It has a really cool neck. I love this. And it is like silk on. So cute. I could even probably wear this with a pair of, I have the jeans on still, like a pair of trousers or like a capri for work. It would be okay. It's like silk. It's such a soft material. Very nice. I love it. All right, so I threw on one of my own white tanks, and this is the kimono. I think I kind of like it. I'm not sure. It's kind of cute. This covers all the way to the bottom. Oh, it has pockets. I usually don't like things with pockets. I don't like how they lay. But this is cute too. I think I kind of like it. Not sure. I have a lot of things like this. It's cute though. It's different coloring. Pretty. This is the hot pink cardigan I had asked for. I just kept it on with this. And it's fine with this, but I'm gonna put on a dress that I had wanted this for, and I wanted it to be about here, so I'm not sure how it's going to look, but it is very comfortable, very soft. So this is a dress from Dia&Co, and it is sleeveless. And normally if I wanted to wear a little cardigan, the cardigan was like a little sweater and it came to right about here. And as you can see, this is longer, and this is sportier, especially when it has that band at the bottom. I don't know, that band at the bottom always reminds me of something my grandma would wear. But anyway, I don't know how this looks on the camera, but I don't know, it's a little on the longer side. I do like it, so I will be keeping it, but it's still not serving the purpose that I had wanted. That's okay, I will figure it out. Okay, this is my own shirt I kept with the cardigans. That I knew the cut of this would not be for me. They are like a second skin, so not comfortable. I feel like the crotch is not up where it needs to be because of the cut of the legs on my legs. Do not like them at all. They do not fit correctly in the behind. Do not like them. I will take it even another shot, a longer shot, so you can see all the way down. Okay, now you can see they're like a second skin. Not attractive whatsoever. Nope. These will definitely go back. Maybe for someone else, but not for me. Okay, thank you, Dia&Co. I'm struggling for casual wear, but I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna keep some of the pieces, not the whole box, and I always aim to keep the whole box. Let me talk to you about if I did keep the whole box. So, if I kept the whole box, it's $184.75. I am not keeping the whole box. I will not be keeping these, and I do not think I will keep the kimono. Those are two items that I won't be keeping. All right, thank you. Thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. You have a nice night. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oh my gosh, every time I do this, it's hot. I'm sweating. All right, bye-bye.